Hello, are you looking for the best and the cheapest antibiotics to keep your poultry birds healthy on daily basis? These are the two most cheapest and the best. This is bitter leaf and this is scent leaf. Combine the two and get the best results you can ever imagine in your poultry and livestock animals. To keep your birds healthy on daily basis, most especially if you start using it from day old during brooding period, you may not even spend a dime in buying synthetic medication. You may not even spend a dime in vaccination. This is both organic and probiotics. Use it and thank me later. If you need more content, you need more of this particular product, ask me on the comment section. I will tell you the dosage and how you're going to make use of it. Let's go there. Thank you. Subscribe. The combination of bitter leaf and scent leaf offers natural medicinal properties that can help cure or prevent various infections and health conditions in poultry. Here is a list of infections and conditions it can help with. One is coccidiosis. It prevents and treats parasite infections in the digestive tract. Two is respiratory infections. It helps in managing respiratory issues caused by bacteria or fungi. Three is salmonellosis. It assists in reducing the effects of bacterial infections like salmonella. Four is E. coli infections. It combats bacterial infections in the gut. Five, Newcastle disease supportive care. You know that Newcastle disease is a viral infection. It is not curable, but it can be managed, and supportive care can be given to the birds to boost their immunity to fight off the viral infection. Fowl typhoid. It provides antibacterial properties to help control typhoid infections in poultry and livestock. Number 7 is swarm infestations. It acts as a natural dewormer to expel intestinal worms. 8 is diarrhea. It reduces watery stool caused by bacteria or parasitic infections. 9 is avian cholera. It supports the immune system to prevent and manage bacterial infections. 10 is general weakness and poor growth. It boosts immunity and aids digestion, leading to healthier and faster growing birds. 11. Skin and wound infections. The parasitic properties of the leaves and the antiseptic properties helps in healing external wounds and infections in poultry. Number 12 is fungal infection. It prevents fungal overgrowth, especially in damp environments. What are the benefits of this combination? You know, when they are in single dose, their power and structure is not as strong as when you combine the two strong antibiotics. It becomes broad spectrum antibiotics. Therefore, it kills harmful bacteria that cause diseases. It reduces the load of intestinal worms and parasites. It reduces inflammations and promotes faster healings. It strengthens the bird's natural defense against diseases, and it helps flush out toxins from the chicken system. How do you use it? If this is your first time or coming across this particular channel, subscribe now and activate the bell notification so that anytime the updates on this particular topic or any other topic on poultry and livestock rearing and management comes up, you'll be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified by this our wonderful app. Share this video to reach more farmers. And if you have any question concerning this topic or any other topic in poultry and livestock, drop it on the comment section. And if you have been using this particular product, this organic product, bitter leaf and scent leaf, or you have combined them before, please, let's discuss on the comment section. How effective are they? Are they working for you? Which particular poultry do you use it for? What was the reaction? Please, let's discuss on the comment section. You can see how greenish these plants are. They are fortified with strong antibiotics antibiotics. Now let me show you how to make this amazing chicken medicine. First, take a handful of fresh bitter leaf and a handful of scent leaf, as you see me holding on two of my hands here. Wash them very well with clean water. Make sure no dirt is left. Blend or pound the leaves to get the juice out. Add the juice to 1 liter of clean water. Mix it up. That is, your natural antibiotics is ready. Please make sure you mix the water and the pound bitter leaf and scent leaves. Turn it very well. Turn it thoroughly to make sure that all the juice are out. Squeeze out the extracts from the bitter leaf and scent leaf. Get the water out and pour it into the drinker. You can now use different drinkers and share the water and give it to your poultry birds to drink. Let's make sure that this magic water reach to all the poultry birds. Don't skip anyone. Do this 3 times in a week to keep them healthy. It helps them fight infections, stay strong, and even grow faster. Look at them. They love it, and it is super good for their health. Plus, you save money because these leaves are cheap and easy to find. So don't wait. Start using bitter leaf and scent leaf for your chickens today. They will thank you by staying happy and giving you better eggs or meat always. Please, if you love these tips and this video, give this video a big thumb up and subscribe for more easy poultry farming tricks. See you next in my next upload. Please share this video to reach other farmers who are in need of such a video. Use fresh leaves for the best results. Clean the leaves before use. Give the mixture 2 times or 3 times in a week for better results.
Please note that during the process of administering these organic extracts, inspect your birds. Go around your farm as you see in this particular video. Check the birds always. Watch their activities, watch the action and watch the reaction of the antibiotics on them. Weigh them always to know if actually they are adding weight. Keep your flock healthy naturally. See you in the next video. Bye.